All right, I put the figure back in front of the rock here to see how it looks. And I think I need to make more of an extreme body movement because, quite honestly, if the guy just turned around, he'd see the top of his head. So, this whole scenario of the young lady and the young warrior, and he's playing a flute and stuff like that, doesn't quite ring right now for me. I don't know why. My thoughts are thinking of doing a different scenario. One where he's being hunted and these two warriors, I would make this a warrior instead of a female, well, they'd be looking for him. And thinking of the title Hunted instead of the one I've got right now. It's just a fluid thing trying to figure out what I'm going to do on this thing. And just trying to figure out how I'm going to do it. So I'm just letting you know that it may change completely. The one thing I'm thinking is, well, I'm going to wait till I get this back onto the turntable and try something here. Well, I'm heating up this blade to do some adjustment on the hiding figure of the mountain man. I'm just having a hard time getting motivated today for some reason. It's one of those days where I have to really force myself to come down and work on this clay. And I don't know if it's because of my change of mind as far as the whole scenario of the story or what, but anyway, we'll plug right on through and see what happens. I'm going to cut into the clay because I'm going to change the angle of his body quite a bit. I know it's hard for you to see what I'm doing, but I'm cutting out a wedge in his side and trying not to cut myself doing it. There we go. The worst thing that can happen is I'll decide to do something else completely. But I haven't gotten to that point yet. I'm getting there, though. All right, that's a better position right there. What I'm thinking of doing is having his hat in this hand, because the last thing he wants is to have a wide-brimmed hat showing up here. And his rifle across his lap here. I like this position a lot better. It's like he's forming himself into the rock. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and start working on this guy, and I'll figure out what I'm gonna do on the other two when I get to that point. Of course, then again, I might be wasting my time working on this guy, because if those guys don't work out, this guy don't work out. Well, anyway, I'm going to have just enough anatomy showing so that the clothing will fit on him properly. It really does help to have a good mannequin that you could use. I wish I could tell you where I got that one. This one was really not that expensive. It's a hollow what do they call it? 3D printed figure made from a very famous sculpture that was done probably in the 1700s, I think. I don't know. I don't know the history of the piece that it's made from, but it's a very famous model to find in artist studios back in the 1800s and doctors' offices and places like that. Anyway, I'm getting off subject here. This clay gets cold real fast because it's not exactly warm in my studio. It's not cold, but it's not warm either. And so the clay has a tendency to stiffen up a little quicker than on a warm day. It's the first day I haven't had to put my heater on to warm up the studio, which is really nice. This is a silicone tool I made a long time ago, and I never had a use for it until just now. I'm using it to forcefully shape the clay. What I'm plotting out is the center line of his body. I put a piece of aluminum wire, real thick wire by the way, to act as the gun, to see how that looks. I did a real rough, and I mean really rough, sketch of his hat too, to see how it would look. And I think I like that. I'd have the brim of the hats and the crown of the hat on this side, which means I'd have to open up the opening in the hat. But I kind of like this. I just got to figure out what to do here to make it work. All right, that's going to be it for tonight, and pick this up tomorrow. Sometimes you just have to work through your low points in your mental part of sculpting.
I don't know
that. That's my Alexa, Alexa, and it just popped in there. I don't know why. So we'll just have to wait and see if this all works out. All right, good night, everybody. The Hunted. That's a good title for this. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.